In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and track changes in Smartsheet so you can monitor edits, review updates, and keep your projects organized. First, open the Smartsheet you want to review. To quickly see recent updates, click the Highlight Changes option at the top of the sheet. This feature highlights cells that have been modified within a selected time period. You can choose to view changes from the last hour, today, yesterday, the last few days, or a custom date range. Once enabled, edited cells will be visually highlighted, making it easy to identify recent updates. If you want to see detailed information about a specific cell, right-click the cell and select View Cell History. The Cell History panel will show who made the change, when it was made, and the previous and current values. This is useful when reviewing edits or verifying updates made by team members. To track activity across the entire sheet, click File and then select View Activity Log. The activity log provides a complete record of actions performed in the sheet, including edits, comments, attachments, sharing activities, and other updates. You can filter the log to find specific activities and review changes over time. If needed, you can also export the activity log for reporting or record-keeping purposes. Regularly reviewing changes helps improve accountability, maintain data accuracy, and ensure everyone is working with the most current information. That's it. You successfully learned how to view and track changes in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.